Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Emporia SMART 5 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Select I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up though, you can click on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by hitting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Emporia and receive next to Send at the bottom of your Android. Also on an Android, scroll down and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Emporia. On it, you need to tap on all of those categories at the top and then click on those type of dots. This way you will select your files and transfer them later on. You can also just click on the chosen one, and when you're ready, tap on Send next to selected. In this Here's Some Tip pop-up, tap on Got it and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, click on this scanning icon on an Android located next to Input key. Now allow camera access by tapping on while using the app or only this time. Then point your device's camera at the code and wait. You can also click on Input key section instead and type in all of those numbers correctly. Then connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!